I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back with another video on Talks with TJ, and it's all things New Balance. So before I head back to California, end of this month, start of November for the espnW Summit for 2022, I gotta make sure I'm ready, packed, and that means New Balance head to toe, sneakers, shorts, t-shirts, jackets, pullovers, pants, literally everything. So I'm gonna show you guys quite a few items sent over by New Balance to outfit me for this trip. Now, I was able to pick out my own items, and of course I had looks in mind, ways to coordinate with the sneakers that would also go with many other things in my closet. So we have the New Balance 327, we have the New Balance 990 V5, and then a New Balance 1500. So definitely taking it back to a classic silhouette. And you guys will see 3 full looks here. And then also the pants are just extras. Like the fact of the matter is, I'll be moving around a lot. So I'll probably be in shorts for most of the time, but in the event it's a little bit cold, it gets chilly, it definitely will cool off later on at night. I have pants also. And what I love about this line before we dive into it, a lot of the things you will see are from their brand new unisex offering. So think about how fashion has really changed, especially in sportswear. And we're thinking of the major brands, sneaker brands that we wear on foot every single day. Women are always in the men's section, and men, you guys understand, women have some pretty awesome things too, and now you want them. Let's just think about those Jordan women's legacy socks. A lot of men want those socks as well. Ladies, don't ever let him fool you. His closet is also your closet. I'm gonna have a lot of men mad at me that I just said that, but his side of the closet is also your side, okay? Because ladies, we can finesse menswear, okay? Throw on the suit pants, the blazer, but you can have that crop on. Don't make it lace, really show out. We can do a lot. So I think style and fashion is really something that's fluid in terms of genders. You can just go on men's section, women's section, or sometimes it's just the sizing that becomes a problem. We just think like, why can't you just offer sizing that is just universal? That's what unisex is offering with New Balance. So some of these items will be from that line specifically, and I'll put links below for everything that's available right now on the website because most of these items should be available. To start, every t-shirt you will see 3 different shirts. They're all sized in a men's medium. For the shorts, I'm rocking the Made in USA core short in natural indigo, so it is a deep navy blue. I'm wearing a size small. As you can see, they fall above the knee, very, very comfortable, but it's not a brushed fleece on the inside, so be mindful of that. The PMV jacket is also in a size small, sized in men's. It's one of the best items sent over. I love how dynamic this jacket is. And just so you guys know, it actually has 3M reflection throughout the upper of the jacket itself. Also seeing the Made in USA core sweatpants in a size small in the same natural indigo colorway. For the pants on the left, wearing the Athletics Higher Learning Wind Pan in the blue groove colorway in a men's medium. Let me be very clear. No, I don't run marathons, but I have a deep appreciation for those who do, and you see me here in the marathon t-shirt. Here you see the Unessential shorts in a U2, so this is different sizing. I'm wearing the U2 in black, and these are very, very comfortable and very soft to the touch. The one item I think is actually sold out, the Anorak pullover. It's super colorful, very fun. I'm actually wearing a women's large, so I'm terribly sorry, ladies. It looks to be sold out, but very dynamic as well. On the left, back in the Made in USA core sweatpants, this time in the Oatmeal Heather colorway, also in a men's small. The PMV matching shorts to the jacket. Now these are quite short. They have a 5-inch inseam, so please keep that in mind. And my only complaint with these, we don't really get pockets. Yes, they have zippers on the side, but you can't really fit your hand in the pocket. So I think that's a letdown. That's the only true criticism I have, but I love the shorts in terms of the 3M print available. Love the shirt, the graphic on the front. And then for the hoodie, this is also part of the Unessentials line. It's in a U3, so this is meant to fit larger like a men's large would on me, still in that deeper blue natural indigo colorway. But yes, it's in a U3, so that fits more like a men's large on me. The shorts are a small. I should have gone with a medium, but overall I love them. So please comment below, do you own any New Balance apparel? I think quite a few of us have New Balances in the collection, but you don't necessarily go after their clothing, and I would say maybe open yourself up to that. You don't have to, of course, that's not mandatory, but they offer quite a few things. I love the direction they went with their, again, unisex line. If you want some very just low-key, tonal, minimalistic, everyday sweats to throw on now, you will probably pay a little bit more than what you would for standard Nike Club Fleece. Please understand that, but personally I think these may hold up a little bit better over time. That's just my thought. I love so many of the pieces sent over. The two-piece set that you guys saw, I broke that up intentionally, but the shorts, if you give me pockets, I need the pockets to be like real pockets, not like these faux pockets that you guys gave me on these shorts. Outside of that, this set is amazing. Like, it's one of the most unique pieces in terms of a jacket. The way it opens up on the side, the 3M reflection, that's everything I would want in a jacket. I just want like actual pockets in those shorts. But I appreciate you guys for tuning into this video, and go ahead and let me know if you plan to pick up anything that's listed in the description box. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.